In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Framer, an essential skill for those who want to add emphasis or highlight specific parts of their design. To start with, make sure you're logged into your Framer account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your page editor. This is where you'll be making all your edits and customizations. Now, while you're in the page editor, identify the specific text you want to underline and click on it. Once you've selected your text, you'll notice a set of options appearing on the right side of your screen. These options allow you to modify different aspects of your text. Look for the section labeled Styles under Text Options. It's important to know that if you wish to apply an underline to every text element on the web page, you'd click on Heading XXL. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're focusing on underlining a particular piece of text. If you have multiple elements or text that you want to customize individually, just follow along as I demonstrate with a single text element. In my case, I already have this text selected, and I've also renamed it for easier identification. Once your text is selected, find the option to Edit. Click on this and you'll be presented with another set of options. Here, look for Decorations. This is where you'll find additional customization options for your text. Under Decorations, you'll notice options such as Underline or Line Through. For today's tutorial, since our goal is to add an underline to the text, you'll want to choose Underline. Click it, and just like that, you've added an underline to your text in Framer. Simple, right? This feature is particularly useful when you want to draw attention to specific information, making your content more engaging and easier to read. And there you have it. That's how you can underline text in Framer. If you found this video helpful, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Also, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Your support means a lot and really helps in bringing more content like this to you. See you in the next video.